Let's dive into the somewhat confusing world of vehicle registration numbers. If you're wondering where to find yours, you're not alone. It's a question folks ask all the time. Is it the same as your license plate number? Let's find out. First things first, the vehicle registration number is not the same as your plate number. Surprise, right? While your plate number is visible on your car, the registration number is tucked away, playing coy. It's a distinct identifier linked to your vehicle's official documents. You might ask, where is this elusive registration number hiding? Well, you can typically find it on your vehicle's registration certificate. It's a unique alphanumeric code that is different from the VIN, from the vehicle identification number, and again, different from the plate. Here's a common pain point. Many people mistakenly assume their plate number doing double duty as registration. But remember, the state assigns the registration number during your car's registration process. It's crucial to distinguish between these identifiers to avoid mix-ups. Let's talk about getting your hands on this number. Step one, retrieve your vehicle registration document. This is often a paper or digital certificate, a seemingly official badge granted by your DMV, right? The registration number usually sits alongside details like your car's make, model, and year. Now, if your vehicle paperwork has turned into a cluttered mess, there's hope. If you can't find the physical document, you might be able to view it online through your DMV's website. Take advantage of this digital age we live in. Those virtual copies are lifelines. Here's a pro tip. If you use a vehicle insurance app, you might spot the registration number there too. Some insurance providers store this number within your account. A nifty feature that can save you time and stress when scrambling for documents. Now let's tackle the hassle of misplacing this document. And then replacing a lost registration certificate can be a headache, but it's doable. Visit your local DMV armed with personal identification and details like your VIN or plate number and request a replacement. For those battling record-keeping chaos, consider creating a designated folder on your phone or cloud service for your vehicle documents and scanning these papers for easy future reference can be your saving grace. Seriously, digital organization is your new best friend. Avoiding confusion further means maintaining clear vehicle records. Knowing where your registration number is at all times streamlines everything from renewals to insurance claims and beyond. Whoever said adulting was easy never faced the vehicle paperwork ballet. Time to talk impact. Numbers matter. Understanding your vehicle's registration intricately links you to $10 billion worth of industry economics revolving around car sales, renewals, and more. Missing or incorrect info can impact fees or legal steps, stressing the importance of accuracy. While it's unlikely you'll ever use this number daily, knowing it offhand is smarter than scrambling under pressure. Fun fact, memorizing key reference numbers can actually save you time. Remember, peace of mind lies in these little details that often escape attention. Finally, when in doubt, reach out to a local DMV representative. They're wonderfully helpful and understand all these permutations of vehicle identification. And just like in life, a little guidance goes a long way in navigating the bustling terrain of vehicle registration details.